Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Toyota Highlander. Before starting, always ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface. Engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. This prevents any accidental rolling. Also, confirm your jack and jack stands can safely support your Highlander's weight, which is crucial for your safety. To lift the front, find the central crossbeam under the engine, often visible through a plastic cutout. Alternatively, use the reinforced pinch welds located just behind each front wheel. Carefully position your floor jack at one of these points. Once lifted a few inches, place sturdy jack stands under the pinch welds on both sides, ensuring they are firmly seated before lowering the vehicle onto them. For the rear, you can use the sturdy rear differential as a central jacking point if you have a floor jack. Otherwise, locate the reinforced pinch welds just in front of each rear wheel. Carefully position your jack at your chosen point and begin lifting. Once the vehicle is at your desired height, place jack stands under the pinch welds on both sides, ensuring they are stable before removing the jack. When you are ready to lower your Highlander, first slightly raise the vehicle with your jack to relieve pressure on the jack stands. Carefully remove the jack stands from beneath the pinch welds. Then, slowly and steadily lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Once all four wheels are firmly on the ground, remove your wheel chocks and store all your tools safely. Always double-check your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.